Hello there. Hope you are doing well and fine. My name is Kit Tan. Welcome to my channel. It's good to see you here. I'm in Chumphon province in the southern of Thailand, and this morning I will be boarding the train from here, Chumphon City, the Chumphon train station, to the Krungthep Aphiwat Central Terminal in Bangkok. And before that, I'm going to have my breakfast over at this restaurant here in this center of the Chumphon City. And this is one of the restaurants that serve the khao mu krop and the khao mu daeng, as well as the khao man kai. So we will check out some of the signature dish over at this restaurant here. So join me, and we're going to check out this khao mu daeng and khao mu krop over here in this Chumphon City. So this is the shop that serves the one of the signature dish here, the khao mu daeng and the khao mu krop, the charsiew rice as well as the roast pork rice here. So you can see there the charsiew there, and then you have this roast duck as well, and you have the poached chicken there, and this is the roast chicken. So this is the stew pork there. So this is the takeaway here. So you can see the khao mu daeng there, and this is the charsiew. So you can see the soup. So you can get some free soup as well when you order the takeaway. And the chilies here, cucumbers, and some chopped veggies here. So this is the khao mu daeng mu krop here, the charsiew and the roast pork rice here. So I ordered the special one here, which is the mix of the charsiew as well as the roast pork. So this is the khao mu daeng mu krop, the mix of mu daeng, the charsiew and the roast pork here. And you can see there's quite a generous portion of the charsiew and the roast pork there with the cucumbers. And this is the special sauce there, the sweet sauce that is being spread across the charsiew and the roast pork as well as the rice there. So take a look at this khao mu daeng mu krop here. There's quite a big portion here. เท่าไหร่อ่ะจานละเท่าไหร่อันนี้อ่ะหมูแดงหมูกรอบน่าจะ60หมูแดงหมูกรอบน่าจะ60 บาท We have a generous portion of the charsiew. You can see there, this is the charsiew as well as the roast pork. And this is the sauce. ครับ The special sweet sauce there. ช่วงนี้เงียบแล้วครับโลบิตั้งเพราะว่าปกติตอนเช้าผมจะต้องไปส่งนักท่องเที่ยวสนามบินตอนเช้าทุกวัน Everything together with the rice. ช่วงนี้ไม่ค่อยไปสนามบินเลยเงียบ So let's check out the rice with the charsiew then in daeng. แต่ไปส่งโรงพยาบาลไปทุกวัน เ
ใช่ครับแล้วผมส่งหมดแล้ว
So the sauce is definitely sweet. It has a special herb taste to it. The charsiew there, it's tender there, the meat there. It's not too sweet. The charsiew is not too sweet.
ช่วงนู้นแหละช่วงปีใหม่ถึงเมษา
The cucumber.
Yeah.
And this is the roast pork there. So the roast pork, the meat is tender, the skin is really crispy there. And the texture of the rice is good, it's not gooey. So you can mix this one with the chili as well. And you can have it.
อันนี้ข้าวมันไก่
So you can mix this with the chili if you want it to be spicy. So you can see there, I've mixed this with the chili there. Chili is definitely spicy there. It's a little bit sourish, and it mixes really well with this charsiew and the roast pork rice here. I'm going to mix another round of the chili. Yeah, it's really the taste really tastes much better when you add with the chili there. And you can actually add this one as well, the garlic here. You can see the chopped garlic to add in more flavor to this khao daeng with the chili here. We top in with the charsiew and the roast pork. Yeah, this is even much better. The chili is even much spicier there. It just has a lot of taste to it. There's a very strong garlicky taste to it when you add into the rice with the meat there. So I'm going to add in another round of this chili here. So let's add in more chili there. With this special chili as well. The sour, the spicy and sour chili there. taste just as good without the charsiew and the roast pork there. There's this soup included, the broth here. I am at the Chumphon train station now, and we'll be boarding the train from here, the Chumphon train station, and we'll be heading to Bangkok. So join me, and we are going to go through this train journey from Chumphon train station to Bangkok, and departure from Chumphon train station is at 11:20 a.m. and expected arrival in Bangkok in about 7 hours at 6:05 p.m. So yeah, at this moment I'll be waiting for the train to arrive, and time now is 11 a.m. That's about 20 more minutes before the departure from this Chumphon train station. You can see the signage there, the Chumphon railway station. So the railway station is currently undergoing the renovations. So this is the temporary platform over here, the temporary area where passengers will be waiting for the train to board their trains from here. So the train has yet to arrive, and we are waiting for the train arrival at this moment. And take a look at the surroundings of the Chumphon train station, which is undergoing the ongoing renovations. So you can see passengers are waiting for their train here, the arrival of the train. So that's the Chumphon railway station signage again. And the main station area is mostly completed there, as you can see. So this is the proper waiting area here at this platform, which has been completed, as well as over the opposite side there. So you can see the train is approaching from that end of this train, this platform here. So let's look for the train number, the car number 2, seat number 48 for my ticket. So this is the one that gets to Krungthep, Aphiwat Central Terminal, and that's car number 1 there. And this is the one here, the car number 2.
นะครับ
สวัสดีครับพี่
ครับระวังศีรษะ
ครับ So this is car number 2 from here. The train from Chumphon to Krungthep Aphiwat Central Terminal in Bangkok. So my seat number is 48. That's the seat number there. So this is my seat, the 48, and the window side here. That's my luggage over at the upper luggage compartment there. And the train is moving out from the Chumphon train station. And the time now is 11:20 a.m. so departure is on time. And I'm going to enjoy, sit back and relax on this train here from Chumphon city to Krungthep Aphiwat Central Terminal in Bangkok. reached the Hua Hin station, and time now is 2:40 p.m. So that's slightly above 3 hours of a journey from Chumphon train station to reach the Hua Hin train station. So take a look at the signage there, the Hua Hin train station. The time is 5 p.m. now, and the train has reached the Nakhon Pathom train station. So in about an hour time, we will reach the Krungthep Aphiwat Central Terminal. So hopefully the train will reach on time. And let's see. Meanwhile, we are waiting for the train to depart from the Nakhon Pathom station. Train has reached the Krungthep Aphiwat Central Terminal from the Chumphon train station. So that is the end of this train journey, crossing from Malaysia to Thailand. I started the journey from Kajang train station to the Germas train station with the ETS train. and continuing my train journey from Gemas to Chumphon with the jungle train, and thereafter I crossed over the border from the Rantau Panjang border to Sungai Kolok in Thailand, and then I took the train from Sungai Kolok to Chumphon, and finally from Chumphon to Krungthep Aphiwat Central Terminal in Bangkok. So that marks the end of this train journey from Malaysia to Thailand. I hope you enjoy watching this series of Malaysia to Thailand train journey. Thank you very much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy watching this Malaysia to Thailand train journey. For those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.